before we start, a big round of applause for Sarkar and, of course, the franchise and the team. Wow. So what we'll do is, we've all seen Sarkar 2005 में आई थी, Sarkar Raj in 2008 और अब 2017 में देखने वाले हैं.
I've become a director mainly because of watching my teens or whenever. The whole idea of power and intense performances, obviously in India I think started with Mr. Bachchan. And even till now it's only him, and I doubt that ever an actor will come in cinema who can surpass Amitabh Bachchan. I mean, to cut it short, the main thing of Sarkar 3 is I feel it's on a scale which is much more, the negative forces are much more larger, the issues are much more larger. So Sarkar 3 in my view is much more larger in every which way than the earlier two franchises. And also, I think this is the first time in Indian cinema that a third part came with the same character, saying the role. And I'm very proud to be a part of that. And probably Amitabh Bachchan obviously is the only actor who's ever done that, and which has the same kind of power, and its intensity, and it is in its...
Ramu decided about this film. I think it was the best film I've ever made. So though I'm not making any more films anymore, but Sarkar is one thing which always be with me.
We at Wave Cinemas, we just try to come out with stuff which is high on content and something that marries box office. So what better and bigger than Sarkar 3? It's been a wonderful journey and we are all very, very happy and privileged to be a part of it.
Superb.
Very happy to be associated with Mr. Bachchan, Ramu sir, Alambara, Wave Cinemas, and we all hope that we make it a grand success at the box office on the 7th of April.
मुझे जो सही लगता है वही करता हूँ. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen from the media, for being here today. You've already seen the trailer. Most of these occasions happen when all of us get together and we introduce ourselves to you and we talk about the film. And lots of nice things are said about each of us, but I thought it would be better that if we talk to each other and find out what we think about each other. And perhaps you will get some inkling of that as the conversation goes. Crime in his themes is in the eyes of the beholder. His characters make their own laws, which is rather challenging for an audience suppressed by protocols in our system. We are a nation of youth caught in a traffic snarl. All of them are on their own 2 feet, standing, pushing, pulling, or doing whatever it takes to move. And watching over this commotion is a calm mind that makes its own rules.
So I wanted Sarkar to be almost like some condensation of that in one person, but both in thought, in performance, and intent in everything.
Yeah, but Ramu, that is not me. I mean, that is the writer. That's the writer's opinion about the situation, about the story. Writers are basically the actors of every film. And it is the thought process that they consume from a director. Director बोलता है कि मुझे इस तरह की कहानी बनानी है, और writer जो है वो actor होता है, screenplay writer होता है, costume designer, everything होता है.
I disagree with that, Sarkar. The reason being, I feel writer or director is about information. Eventually, film is an emotional experience. We have to feel what the character is feeling.
One day, I got a message from Ramu, come and meet me, and I went and met him. I was the first, I was in his first film, Shiva, just for a scene, then second film, Raat, and then now Sarkar 3. So whenever Ramu remembers me, I'll always... That was a challenge too. That is a challenge too. So that's why I'm in this film.
Yami, what about you? Why did you do this film?
So first of all, thank you so much. Thank you for having us here and thank you for this response. And sir, you've got to be one of the reasons to inspire me to be part of...
You know you're not allowed to lie at this press conference.
Am I lying? You think... Am I lying? Not at all, sir. And to go a bit more detail into that, if I may badly imitate you, Ramu sir, time just flies, and didn't even realize when it was one of the most quickest shoots I've ever done. And to be a part of Sarkar with Amit sir helming it, with Jackie sir, with such stalwarts, and Ramu
There are
sir
two Amits
and
here, just be specific, please.
yes, Amit sir. I think I couldn't have asked for. It's one of those rare opportunities which goes down with you. I think years later that I got to be a part of a franchise called Sarkar, and I think it just says it all. So thank you, Ramu sir, for this.
You know, just on a lighter note, I'll take this moment of glory, and then we'll surpass this. I had to be. I mean, I was in 1, and I was in 2, and I had to be in 3, and Chiku had to grow up. And forgive me for this. Now, let me come back to my senses. Be a part of a Ram Gopal Verma film. Be a part of a film with such immense, amazing actors that I've just grown up watching. You know? And so it's just, I don't know how this came in. I don't know. I'm just very grateful again. Ramu sir, I'll always be very grateful.
We worked in many things together.
Always respects to Bachchan Saab, to the whole team. Love you, you know that. I don't know why I did it. मेरे को तो यार रंगीला था एक, मेरे दिमाग में वो बच्चन साहब और सरकार फ्रेंचाइजी और रोल, मतलब एक सीन में भी खड़ा होने का मौका मिला तो बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए. और वही बात है, बिल्कुल ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं, गलत लगेगा. और यार you won't do it or what? तुम लोगों को किसको रोल दिया? Simple है यार. और we worked together. I worked with Ramu. I've done a film where he's really handled me so beautifully. He's shown me looking something I never thought I could look like sometimes in the film.
अगर 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया तो 3 होना चाहिए ना. ये सिंपल. हर एक चीज़ में हम लोग बोलते हैं 1, 2, 3. और लोग दौड़ने लगते हैं या भागने लगते हैं या किताब पढ़ने लगते हैं या चुप हो जाते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा 3 ठीक है.
At least, of course, there are references to what happened in Sarkar and Sarkar Raj, but more or less, I would say it is a very independent story. See, crime is a legal word, no? जो नहीं करना चाहिए, but anti-establishment, any person who takes up the law, when he believes that what is doing it for the right and for the oppressed people, though it is illegal in the eyes of the system, because you as an audience are connecting to the emotion and the righteousness of the character, because of that you won't feel it's a crime.
और जो आप कह रही हैं कि आप, क्योंकि आपका किरदार वैसा ही है जैसे 1 में था, 2 में था और 3 में है, लेकिन किरदार के जो सामने किरदार हैं वो बदलते रहे. और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि मेरा जो अभिनय है वो उस पर निर्भर करता है कि कौन मेरे सामने है, उसके साथ मेरा व्यवहार कैसे होगा, वो किस तरह अपने वाक्य बोलेगा, वो किस तरह एक्टिंग करेगा. वो अगर सही नहीं करेगा तो मैं भी सही नहीं लगूँ. इसलिए हमारे लिए ये अंतर होता है.
Black t-shirt. दादा